Hello students, I am Moshimi Pal and today I am going to teach you about life cycle of a hen, fish and frog. Dear students, have you ever seen a hen sitting on its eggs? If your answer is yes, then tell me, why does parent bird sit on the eggs? The parent bird sits on the eggs to provide the warmth necessary for the development of an offspring inside the egg. This process is known as incubation. Now I shall explain the life cycle of hen. Stage 1. Egg. An adult hen lays eggs that take about 21 days to hatch. Stage 2. Hatchling. The baby chick eats the yolk inside the egg and cracks the egg open to hatch. Stage 3. Chick. The baby chicks after hatching are weak and are taken care of by their mothers. Stage 4. Adult. The chick grows into an adult hen. A young male chicken is called a cockerel. Does fish also undergo changes in different stages of its life cycle while growing? Yes, fishes also undergo changes in different stages of their life cycle while growing. Stage 1. Egg. Fishes lay several eggs in water at a time. Most eggs do not survive because they are either eaten by a larger fish or because they die due to harsh environmental conditions. Stage 2. Embryo. The embryo starts developing within the eggshell. It obtains its food from the yolk sac. Stage 3. Larva. After hatching, the developing embryo is called a larva. It obtains its food from a yolk sac attached to its body. Stage 4. Fry. Once the yolk sac is fully absorbed, the young fish is called a fry. In this stage, it starts finding its own food and undergoes different stages of development and changes. Stage 5. Juvenile or fingerling. The stage between a fry and an adult fish is called a juvenile. At this stage, the fry grows to the size of a finger and is also known as fingerling. Stage 6. Adults. When the fishes have grown and are able to reproduce, they are called adults. Let us now understand the life cycle of frog. Have you ever heard about the term metamorphosis? Some organisms go through a series of transformations or drastic changes after birth until they develop into adults. It is called metamorphosis. A frog undergoes the following transformations during metamorphosis. Stage 1. Egg. The mother frog lays plenty of eggs at a time in a pond. This mass or cluster of eggs floats on water in a jelly-like substance called frog spawn. Stage 2. Embryo. The egg develops into an embryo that depends on the yolk for its food. Stage 3. Tadpole. Once the embryo is developed inside the egg, it hatches into a fish-like structure with a tail called a tadpole. It can live only in water. It breathes through the gills and feeds on aquatic plants and algae present in the pond. Stage 4. Froglet with a tail. The tail of the tadpole swings and the tadpole grows into a froglet. The froglet has legs for hopping and walking. It breathes through the lungs and feeds on insects. It can live in water as well as on land. Stage 5. Adult frog. The tail of the froglet disappears completely and the froglet develops into an adult frog. So students, I hope you have properly understood the life cycle of a hen, fish and frog. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.